If you're facing overheating issues after the iOS 26 update on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that you use Apple's original charger with your iPhone. If you use a third-party charger which is not supported by Apple, this will not only cause the overheating issue, but this will also harm your iPhone. So make sure you use Apple's original charger with your iPhone. And also avoid using your iPhone while it is charging, especially do not play any games while you're charging. Now after that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you've done that, then go to your home screen and open the Recent Apps section. Now if there is any app running in the background, just swipe up and close the app from the background. Now after you do that, then go back to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. And from here, just disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. Just enable the toggle for the apps which are important, like the messaging apps. Now after you do that, then open the Control Center and open the Connection section. Now in the Connection section, just make sure you turn off mobile hotspot, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just disable mobile data. And also if you're not using AirDrop, just disable AirDrop and Bluetooth. Now if you have done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.